Good morning students, I am Reema KB, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Maharani Science College for Women, Mysore. The title of the paper that I am going to handle is Thermal and Statistical Physics. The course duration is 16 weeks at 4 lectures per week and the syllabus is made of 4 units where each unit to be discussed in 16 lectures. In this class, I will be handling Unit 4. Under Unit 4, you have Theory of Radiation, which has to be discussed for 8 hours, and Classical Statistical Mechanics, which has to be discussed for 8 more hours. Under Theory of Radiation, we are supposed to discuss regarding black body radiation, spectral distribution, concept of energy density, Planck's law, the quantum theory of radiation, deduction of Wien's distribution law, Rayleigh-Jeans law, Stephens-Boltzmann law, and Wien's displacement law from Planck's law. Under classical statistical mechanics, we are supposed to discuss regarding basic concepts and rules of the theory of probability, continuous random variables, probability of a molecule to lie in a finite volume, mean value of a continuous variable, that is variance, probability distribution, binomial distribution, Stirling approximation, Gaussian distribution as a limiting form of binomial distribution, statistics of classical particles, where we are supposed to derive Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. Introduction. We know that heat transfers from one point to another point by 3 modes: conduction, convection, and radiation. The process of conduction and convection necessarily requires the presence of material medium filling the space between the source and the receiver. However, in radiation, material medium is not necessary. It can travel through vacuum too. So, radiation is a process of transmission of heat from one place to another place without any material medium. Artificially produced radiation is widely used in communications, industries, medicine, and research. Heat from the sun and other heavenly bodies like stars reaches Earth through radiation. Energy transferred by radiation is known as radiant energy. Radiant energy of heat, light, radio frequency, ultraviolet, etc. are all electromagnetic waves, differing only in their wavelengths. When heat energy is incident on a material body, the body absorbs the energy and undergoes a change in its state by change of temperature. And this comes under the general topic of interaction of radiation with matter. Moving on to the properties of thermal radiation. First property is it travels through vacuum with a speed of light. It travels along straightest possible lines. It obeys the laws of reflection and refraction, including the inverse square law. It exhibits interference, diffraction, and polarization. It forms a part of electromagnetic spectrum. Normally, it does not affect the medium through which it transmits. Radiation is converted into heat when absorbed by a body. All bodies above 0 Kelvin are sources of radiation. Emission and absorption. Emanation of radiation from a surface depends on the nature of the surface area, and the surroundings. And this process is known as emission. When radiation is incident on a body, a fraction A of it is absorbed, a fraction R is reflected, and the remaining fraction T is transmitted. So, from conservation of energy, we can express A plus R plus T is equal to 1, where A, R and T are called absorption, reflection and transmission coefficients respectively. Bodies which absorb more energy than they reflect are known as good absorbers. According to Kirchhoff's law, a good absorber is also a good radiator. Black body radiation. A body which absorbs all the radiation incident on it is a perfect black body. Radiation incident on a black body is neither reflected nor transmitted. Nature of black body radiation depends only on the temperature of the body. The practical example for a black body, lamp black and platinum black, where absorbance of 96% takes place in the case of lamp black and the absorbance of 98% takes place in the case of platinum black. A perfect black body can be realized by making a small hole in the wall of a closed container kept at a uniform temperature and is known as cavity radiator. Let's move on to the important definitions. Radiation density. Energy radiated or absorbed at a temperature per unit area per unit time is referred to as radiation density. Absorptive power. Absorptive power under a given condition is defined as energy density absorbed by the body to the energy density absorbed by a black body. This implies that the absorptive power of a black body per surface is always equal to 1. Emissive power. Emissive power under a given condition is defined by the ratio between the energy density emitted by the body to the energy density emitted by a black body. And this implies that the emissive power of a black body per surface is always equal to 1. Reflecting power of a surface. Reflecting power of a surface is defined by the ratio between the energy density reflected by the surface to the total energy density incident on the surface. This implies that the reflective power of a black surface is equal to 0. Transmitting power of a surface is defined by the ratio between the heat energy density transmitted by the surface to the total energy density incident on the surface, and this implies that the transmitting power of a black surface is equal to 0. So by knowing these concepts, we'll be discussing regarding the main topics in the coming classes. Thank you.